Ted, what are you doing up there? Huh? You little creep? What are you doing? Shaking hands. What is your brother doing? Ted, what are you doing? You're weird. You gotta clean up your vomits. Come on. Oh, yum yum. Yum yum. Look at you guys. So proud of you. Oh, sorry. Look at you. You want some extra treats? Jack, you guys are so good. You did it for Sammy. Did a good bath. I'm going to give you a little extra treats since you're so good. And you even did it for me. You want some treats? Got a little extra. We're being such good boys. Here you go, Dad. Dad's so proud of you. You have this like dark cloud and then you got this like little patch of blue. A cloud hole. The cloud abyss right in there. So angry. Why are you so angry, Cloud? Look over there too. We're on our way to, I don't know if there will be fireworks tonight, to see Sam and then to see fireworks, hopefully. There's a lot of lightning and really loud thunder. See, now the good thunder is coming. Did you see that? Hold on. Ear to the window. Oh, and now you pick up. Great. I like big thunderstorms!
We shouldn't be out the window right now.
Oh no, I'm pretty sure we would. I don't know how she would react to the thunderstorm. Are we sure there's no hail? Oh no, there's no hail. Hold on. It's leaking. Oh, there's hail. Look at this. It's like ice going on our, well, that's what hail is, dodgy stuff. Oh God. Making me nervous. There's so many people stopped on the side of the road too. I was like, Mike, it's okay to go a little slower now. I wanted a big thunderstorm, but maybe it's a good thing she's not with us right now. I feel like she would have been flipping out.
I still have in my back when I get like no rain on it.
Yeah, so all of it's coming from
it. Say would be going nuts, right?
She would, yeah. Look at all those. They're having a party.
Those aren't even turkeys, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're baby turkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 birds.